This is Masood Hashmi. Today I'm going to show you how I clean this wooden floors. So if you look at the wood floor, you don't want to use any water because water can get into these places and then it will swell up and causes damage to the wood floor. So for this purpose, I'm using this. It's called Bona hardwood floor cleaner. This is not polisher, cleaner. So this is spray bottle, which I got it from the Lowe's, and this is the refill. It's the same solution, but it's a refill. So once that finishes, then I put this in this spray bottle. Now this is this mop, and it has two kind of mops. So if you look at this one, I use it first to take all the dirt away from the floor because you don't want a dirt and you start cleaning on top of it with this liquid. So after this is clean, you can toss up into the washer, and this is a cleaner pad. So we can put that on here very easily. You just put it on like this, and then we'll spray the floor with the solution and I will show you the cleaning. Okay, so I have put this dusting pad on it, and first of all I'm going to clean this whole thing. So take out all the dirt from the floor before we use any kind of cleaner. So you start on one end and keep on coming back. And take your shoes off the way I have done that. So you clean up all of this area. Now I have cleaned this area, so I'm going to take this dusting pad off, and then I'm going to put the other pad on and then start using the solution. Okay, so I have taken off the dusting pad and now I put on this microfiller cleaning pad on it. You see it's a different color, and I put this on now. Now after this, here is the Bona cleaning solution. See, I spray it, as you see, I spray the floor. I put it down like this, then I go over with this. So keep on doing that. See how clean it looks? Then you take it out this and you do this. Then down again and here. So the corners, see, it will go like this.
मेरा ख्याल है सर जी छोड़ें ये काम आप अच्छा कर रहे
Yeah, now when I retire, this is, you tell me this is exercise and you get your house clean like that. Oh boy. My mom said you will never rest. That's what's going to happen, one thing after the other. So this is, you have to do this because your muscles are tired. You do like this.
This is your stress test.
Yes. So after this, as you see, this is again, I'm not walking at the place, I just cleaned. So, oh boy, oh God, I'd rather do surgeries than this. This is tough stuff, but it's rewarding. House looks beautiful, wife is happy with you, and you have done the exercise for today. Bye.